Hello everyone. Have you ever looked at the night sky and wondered what those shining objects are? Why do stars twinkle? Why does the moon change its shape? And where exactly is our Earth in this vast universe? Today, we are going on an exciting journey through space as we learn about the Earth in the solar system. Let's first understand what we will learn in this chapter. By the end of this chapter, we will understand celestial bodies like stars and planets, learn about constellations, discover our solar system, explore why Earth is unique, and know about the moon, asteroids, meteoroids, galaxies, and the universe. Can anyone name a planet other than Earth? Before learning about planets, let's look at the beautiful night sky. Imagine you are standing outside on a clear night. First, you notice one or two bright objects. Slowly, more and more appear until the entire sky seems filled with shining diamonds. But have you noticed something interesting? Some objects twinkle while others do not. Stars twinkle because their light passes through Earth's atmosphere. Planets usually shine steadily and do not twinkle. Among all these celestial objects, the moon is the one we notice most often. The moon does not always look the same. Sometimes we see a full bright circle called Purnima, and sometimes we cannot see it at all. This is called Amavasya or new moon. The moon appears to change shape because we see different portions of its sunlit side. Now, you may wonder why we see these objects only at night. Why can't we see stars during daytime? The stars are still present in the sky during the day. They don't disappear. The reason we cannot see them is because sunlight is extremely bright and hides the faint light coming from distant stars. Imagine trying to see a candle in bright sunlight, it becomes difficult. All these objects in space have a common name: celestial bodies. All natural objects present in space are called as celestial bodies. This includes stars, planets, satellites, asteroids, meteoroids, and even sun. Can you name any celestial body visible from Earth? Let's start with the most important celestial bodies: stars. Stars are huge balls of hot gases. They produce their own heat and light. The sun is actually a star and is the closest star to Earth. Other stars appear tiny because they are extremely far away. Example: think about an airplane. It looks small when it is high in the sky, even though it is actually very large. Groups of stars often form interesting patterns. Constellations. A constellation is a group of stars that forms a recognizable pattern. One famous constellation is Ursa Major or Big Bear. A part of it is known as Saptarishi, which means seven sages. Try counting the seven stars shown in the Saptarishi. Ancient people used these stars for navigation. Pole star. The pole star always appears in nearly the same position. It helps us find the north direction. Ancient travelers and sailors used it before modern navigation systems. Now, let's learn about planets. Unlike stars, planets do not have their own light. They shine because they reflect sunlight. The word planet comes from the Greek word planetai, meaning wanderers. Why do you think planets look bright if they don't produce light? Our Earth is one such planet. Earth gets all its heat and light from the sun. If an astronaut looked at Earth from the moon, Earth would appear bright just like the moon appears to us. A fun fact, Earth also shines in space because it reflects sunlight. Earth has a very special companion, satellite. A satellite is an object that moves around a planet. The moon is Earth's natural satellite. Many other planets also have satellites. Do you know which planet has the largest number of moons? Earth and the moon are part of a much larger family. Solar system. The solar system consists of the sun, eight planets, their satellites, asteroids, and meteoroids. The sun is at the center and acts like the head of the solar family. Let's understand the most important member, the sun. The sun. The sun is a gigantic ball of extremely hot gases. It provides light, heat, and the gravitational force that keeps planets moving around it. It is about 150 million kilometers away from the Earth. Now let's meet all the planets. Planets of the solar system in order from the sun: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. To remember them easily, we use a mnemonic. My very efficient mother just served us nuts. Each word represents a planet. All these planets move in special paths. Orbits. The path followed by a planet around the Sun is called an orbit. Every planet has its own orbit and keeps moving continuously. Example, think of runners moving in separate lanes on a track. Let's learn about two important planets, Mercury and Venus. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun and completes one revolution in only 88 days. Venus is called Earth's twin because it is similar in size and shape. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Yes, it's Mercury. One object that was once called a planet is Pluto, a dwarf planet. Until 2006, Pluto was considered the ninth planet. Later, scientists classified it as a dwarf planet. Remember the year 2006. Now, let's focus on our home planet, Earth, the unique planet. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the fifth largest. Its shape is called a geoid because it is slightly flattened at the poles. What makes Earth different from all other planets? Why is Earth unique? Earth has water, air, oxygen, and a suitable temperature. These conditions make life possible. Students, could humans survive without water or oxygen? Yes, we cannot survive. Earth also has a special nickname, blue planet. Earth is called the blue planet because about two-thirds of its surface is covered with water. One fun fact, from space, Earth looks like a beautiful blue marble. Let's learn more about Earth's companion. The Moon is Earth's only natural satellite. It is about one-fourth the size of Earth. It takes about 27 days to revolve around Earth and also 27 days to rotate on its axis. Because both periods are equal, we always see the same side of the Moon. The Moon has mountains, plains, and craters, but no air or water. Besides planets and moons, there are many smaller bodies in space. Asteroids. Asteroids are small rocky objects moving around the Sun. Most are found between Mars and Jupiter. Some even smaller objects are called meteorites. Meteoroids. When meteorites enter Earth's atmosphere, friction causes them to burn and produce a streak of light called a meteor or shooting star. If part of it reaches Earth's surface, it is called a meteorite. Our solar system is only a tiny part of something much larger, the Milky Way Galaxy. The Milky Way is a huge collection of stars appearing as a white band across the sky. In India, it is called Akash Ganga. The Milky Way itself is only one galaxy. Galaxy. A galaxy contains billions of stars along with dust and gases. Our solar system is located inside the Milky Way galaxy, and beyond galaxies lies the universe. The universe. The universe contains millions of galaxies, countless stars, planets, and many other celestial objects. Scientists are still discovering new facts about it. Just imagine, our Earth is only a tiny dot in the enormous universe. Let's revise everything quickly. Let's revise the most important points together. The Sun is a star. Earth is the third planet. Earth is the blue planet. Venus is Earth's companion or twin. Moon is Earth's satellite. Saptarishi is part of Ursa Major. Pole star indicates north. Asteroids lie between Mars and Jupiter. Pluto is a dwarf planet. Solar system is part of the Milky Way galaxy. Today, we learned that our Earth is just one planet in a vast solar system, which itself is only a tiny part of the Milky Way galaxy and the immense universe. The more we learn about space, the more we realize how amazing our planet truly is. Thank you.